Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming in from our newest location, 1443 Banks Road in Margate. And what do we have today? Well, this is Rambox Central over here. That's right, we're getting a lot of Ram boxes from the Ram 1500s and the 2500s. And what do we got today? Well, I'll show you one second. By the way, if you have questions, that is my telephone number for the store. Don't call any other number. Somehow my cell phone is out there and I'm getting people calling my cell phone all the time. So come this way, buddy. By the way, as we're walking over to the truck, hit that like button. Get it out of the way. You have nothing to do while you're waiting. So you do it right now and subscribe to the channel. So here we go. We got a Ram 2500. It's got the 6.4 bed. And this is the Bak Revolver X4s. And again, this is the Ram box. So now first thing first, a lot of people is like, I forget to open these Ram boxes. As you can see, no problem whatsoever. It works just fine with the cover. Another nice thing about this cover, I want you to look how nice and low profile. I'm not a big fan of the factory cover. It sits too high up for me. It looks like somebody just put a big brick on top of it and it ruins the lines of the truck. Something like this is super low profile, super clean. And this is actually a great cover for this truck. And I'll show you why. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Now you're gonna have a left and a right release mechanism. So wherever you're standing, you can open this up. So now a lot of times when you're getting a Ram box, especially on a 2500, these trucks sit high. Now what's nice about this, once you undo this, it's a little easier to open. As you can see, even if you're a little vertically challenged, this is not a big deal to open and close. Now when you want to drive, there's a little strap you bring around, locks into place, it keeps it from going anywhere. Also, if you notice, it does not block your rear window. So if you notice in this window, there's a camera up there and stuff like that. This is not interfering with your mirror or your camera or even your third brake light. Now when it's up like this, this actually does add a little extra protection to the front of the cab here. Now what I mean by that is if you have something really big in the truck and someone stops in front of you, everything comes flying forward, it will hit this instead of window, so that will protect this rear window from damage, which is another nice feature. Now if you look inside the bed, you'll see this has the silver rails. Now I don't know if the camera's tilting down there, it likes to look at me. You gotta have the silver rails for this cover to work. Now this actually slides into the rails, which is a great setup. A little bit more work to do, buddy will tell you. They didn't like sliding in there too well. But now if you buy this from us and you're getting into the installation, you have questions, you can always call us. Now another nice thing about this, I want to show you how easy it is to close. Not much work, as you can see. Now this does hold 400 pounds. Now that is evenly distributed, so you know, 400-pound Louis standing in the middle won't work. But you know, if you want to put something on top, you can, as long as you strap it down. Now this is a 2-layer cover. It means you got your metal on the bottom here. You got your nice little hard TPO material on top. This gives it a great look. It does a great job keeping the water up. Now I'm going to show you something that is different on this cover that the other rolling covers do not have. And it's the lock-in mechanism. So let's go in here. I'll show you what I say. I want to roll it up a little bit here. Now when this thing's out and flat, you see this little groove here. Well, that is for this guy here. This whole rail right here will lock the entire length of the bed. That is a nice little patent they have on it. So you probably won't see anyone else with this. Most of the other companies are using a Velcro there because they have a patent on this. So it's good. I think it's going to secure that cover better than all the other covers that are similar to this. Now let's go back to another thing, is warranty. This is going to come with a nice 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now the good thing about us, when we install this, like, you know, Buddy, our master tech, who by the way is filming right now, if we install it, this 5-year warranty becomes 10 years. We also put a 1-year labor guarantee on the cover as well. That covers everything we have done and stuff. So you're covered for 10 years on a product, 1 year on labor. All in all, it is a great setup. Now, I know you're saying, well, I don't live in Florida, but I want this product. Well, that is not a problem. We'll ship this anywhere in the United States. We even ship into Alaska, California, and Hawaii, because we're in Florida. And we're shipping to Puerto Rico, Brazil, and Jamaica. So we ship a lot of places. So if you don't live here, that's not a problem. Of course, if you get this and you have questions regarding the installation, we'll be happy to walk you through it. Buddy will get on the phone, I'll get on the phone, we'll tell you everything needs to be done on your part. And it's good because we got a couple little secrets to make it a little bit better as well. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the Bak Revolver X4s on a Ram 2500 6.4 bed. I'm a little tired today. And again, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget, like and subscribe.